Hi there, this is Andy from Totally Forex, and today we will do an in-depth review on FxPro Forex Broker. FxPro is a global CFD and Forex broker founded in 2006. It is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) in the United Kingdom and the Cyprus Securities and Exchanges Commission (CySEC). FxPro is an ECN broker, which means it uses an electronic communication network to trade outside the market via a computer system. The company uses this system to provide clients direct access to other participants in the Forex market, which means they can sometimes offer users better prices than would otherwise be available to them. Last, the company has won over 70 international and United Kingdom awards in the past 15 years, including 10 awards for the best Forex broker of the year. Users who hold accounts or thinking to open an account in FxPro can trade more than various assets across 7 asset classes. But to be more precise, those are more than 70 currency pairs with spreads, 21 CFDs on futures from around the world, popular indices from across Europe, Asia and America, CFDs on thousands of global shares including popular assets in Asia, Africa, Europe and the United States, precious metals such as gold, palladium and silver, CFDs on energy such as Brent oil, natural gas and WTI spot oil, and last, cryptocurrencies which include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and so on. FxPro offers 5 different types of accounts, but those are based solely on the trading platform the clients will use. To break them down by platform, they offer 2 on MetaTrader 4, 1 on MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and their own platform as well. Let's have a look on the 2 accounts offered with MetaTrader 4, which are the MT4 Instant versus the Standard MT4. Both offer the same CFD instruments, the same trade sizes. However, when it comes to trading cost, the Instant account offers fixed spreads only to 7 major pairs. The last major difference comes to the execution type of those 2 accounts. While the FxPro MT4 Instant receives the price the client sees on screen or receiver quote, the Standard MT4 has tiered liquidity as orders are executed at the volume weighted average price. Using the Standard MT4 as a base, we will check the other 3 account options. The FxPro MT4 and MT5 are identical, with the only difference to be the trade size on the share and of course the trading platform. When we compare the MT4 and MT5 with the CTrader account, we will immediately notice that the CTrader offers less instruments to trade, as it doesn't support futures and shares. Additionally, the fees changes as well. The MT4 and MT5 account offers 0 commission on trades but relies on spread, while the CTrader account offers reduced spread plus $45 per 1 million traded on Forex and metals. Last, the FxPro platform offers identical conditions of trading as FxPro MT4 and MT5. To mention here that FxPro allows spread betting. Spread betting is a form of derivative trading, which means you aren't taking ownership of the underlying asset. You open a position based on whatever you think the value of an instrument will rise or fall. If the asset price moves in your favor, you profit. If it goes against you, you incur a loss. To conclude the account types, the type you will pick is heavily relying on the trading platform of your choice. To open an account, you can check our video on how to create, verify, and fund an account on FxPro. FxPro offers 4 trading platforms. Those are their own FxPro platform, the well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and last but certainly not least, CTrader. Each platform has its own benefits as we mentioned above. The most noticeable from the comparison charts that FxPro platform does not offer a trailing stop, which for some traders could be a deal breaker. Overall though, we have to hand it to FxPro. As compared to the competition, they offer plenty of platforms for their clients to choose from. If you are not familiar with the platform mentioned above, we have created dedicated videos on MT4 and MT5 for both desktop and mobile. You can find the videos on your screen or in the description below. Additionally, on our video we mentioned earlier on creating an account, we have a walkthrough on their native platform as well. The funding options are depend heavily on the location, so starting as they appear, the FxPro United Kingdom Ltd allows users to fund their account through a bank transfer, Visa, Maestro and MasterCard. The withdrawals take about 1 working day to be completed and there are no fees implemented by FxPro. However, the corresponding banks could implement their own. Moving on, the FxPro Financial Services Ltd allows more options which include PayPal, Skrill, NetTeller and UnionPay. Last, the FxPro Global Markets Ltd offers all mentioned earlier except PayPal. Compared to the other brokers out there, they don't offer a lot of funding options. However, depends on your location, you may get PayPal, which is one of the easiest ways to fund your account. Users can contact customer service via email, phone, and live chat. The services are available 24 hours a day for 7 days a week. Currently, they provide customer support in more than 27 languages. So let's have a look at the pros and cons of FxPro Broker. Starting with the pros, it is a well-regulated broker. It has been around for more than 15 years. It offers more than 2,000 assets to trade with, offers 5 different types of accounts based on platforms. Spread betting is an option as well. It has 4 trading platforms offered, such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and FxPro platform. PayPal is accepted but only for certain locations, and last, they offer 24/7 customer support in multiple languages. On the cons now, US clients are not allowed it. It has less attractive pricing compared to the other market leaders. It has limited funding options compared to the competition, and last, no bonuses or promos offered. Overall, FxPro is a well-regulated forex broker that has a solid core of clients. To open an account, you can click the link below our video or watch our dedicated video how to create, verify, and use an FxPro account. We really hope that it helped you decide if this is the right broker for you. If it did, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos, which will expand from broker reviews and tutorials to indicators and strategies.